Alright, so I have to hurry up because I don't have time. I have less than 5 minutes, so I have to do this really, really quickly. So I'm not going to talk. I'll just go right down into it. Okay? So as long as I'm laughing with you. Do you know what? I don't know where my powder is. As in the life we've been through. Oh, I have to go get my powder, guys. Sorry. Alright, so I got the powder. I just quickly did it, and today I used the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder. That's what I used for baking. Okay, so we need to get down to the eyes. Now, since it's a professional networking event, I'm going to go with very, very minimal it's not doing much, but I think it's as minimal as it can be. Okay, so I'm going to repeat it for the other eye. I fell in love with this song after By the way, I'm using my Makeup Forever. As long as I'm happy with you. I'm busy having feelings, catching feelings here when I'm supposed to be getting ready. Okay, so for blush, I'll be taking from this palette because it's quite, some of the colors are pretty pigmented. So I'll be taking my blush from here. If you watched one of my last videos, I talked about this. I use most of everything I have in my eyeshadow palettes and co for a lot of things. So this is one of them. And then for my under eyes, that's done. And for my under eyes, I'll be taking still from the same palette just to make my eyes pop a lot more. I'll be taking
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be
make MAC. Best products MAC ever. One of their best products ever. Yeah, it's one of their best products ever. I have a nude here, but it's my Swarovski. I said, did I just say Swarovski? It's my Lime Crime. Earrings. I know the earrings I have, the ones I have are these, and I don't really like them. Not that I don't like them, I do, but I just prefer studs for, you know, things like this, you know. But let's see how it looks. Okay, it's not bad, but I really have to look, because that's my studs. For me, they are my go-to, as in when you wear studs, they are so chic. They just fall in everything and everywhere, you know. And for a professional event, I think it's, you know. So yeah, that's it for this look, and I'll be showing you guys the pictures later, or the full look later. All right.